Braxton here joining Country Sparkles. So right now we are gonna do a science experiment. So you will need a plastic bag, some pencils that are super sharp, and we are gonna do a science experiment about water molecules. So let's fill up the bag with water.
Tell me this.
I zipped up the bag so water won't fall out. So take one of the pencils. This one's sharp. Then poke it through the bag. Cool.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
No water came out?
Yeah.
Crazy.
No water will come out.
Do you want to try another pencil?
Yeah.
Let's do it with this.
You can put it however way you want. Might leak a little bit, but it's fine. You can do it.
Oh, push that one through a little more. Hold up. There you
That's how cool it is. No water's coming out. Want to see something cool?
Wait. So no water's coming out because when you push the pencils through, it makes just the right amount of right size of hole to fit the pencil through, and any extra space there's a little bit of water between the pencil and the plastic, but the water molecules, because of water tension, fill in the hole, and it keeps any more water from spilling out. So now what do you want to do, buddy? Now there's no more water tension holding that water in because the holes are too big.
Yep. And you can't even squeeze it. There might be a little extra water trying to escape. So just squeeze it as hard as you can to make it exit. And there you go. A weird looking bag. After you do the whole thing. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. And comment down below. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.